So we're here at TW Ward today having a look at a used Haas SL40 two-axis CNC lathe. This is a very nice example of a year 2008 machine which we purchased for stock from Sheffield University. In fact, the machine was in the Sheffield University Research Centre known as the AMRC, and this machine is nicely equipped with a fair bit of tooling, with filtration, mist filtration, it's also got a swarf conveyor and a programmable tailstock. The machine also benefits from a two-speed geared head. The machine is fitted with a Haas CNC control, and we're going to demo this machine now, just showing the main features and functions of it. So for this demonstration we're going to show the machine with the door open. So just for the purpose of demonstration and for the purpose of the video, we've defeated the interlock to allow us to do that. Obviously at the end of the video we will reset the interlock. Okay, so now we are just showing the turret indexing 5 times approximately, and it's very nice and precise, very neat. And you can see how heavy duty that turret on the machine is. Also you can see the tailstock and the 15-inch chuck, 15-inch, and the tool setting arm. Now the machine is running at a speed of 299 RPM, and we're just doing a little bit of movement in the X and Z axis. Now the tailstock comes in, under program as mentioned. Now you can see that the tailstock is retracting. All the slideways are fully covered, all the slides are in excellent condition. The axes are great, all really very good. We've upped the speed now to 600 RPM on the spindle. We're now running the spindle on 798, so it's 800 RPM, increasing now to 1000, to 1200, 1400, 1600, 1800, and we can go all the way to 2000. A very nice two-axis CNC lathe. It's available now from TW Ward CNC Machinery Limited.